Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are on lesson 8. Our I can statement for today is I can solve word problems involving the total value of a group of bills. So today we're going to continue working with coins, and we're also going to be working with dollar bills. So a $1 bill, a $5 bill, a $10 bill. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil to help you through today's lesson. If you have coins or dollar bills, that could be helpful for today's lesson as well. If not, don't worry. And we're going to do our sprint, so you're going to need an extra piece of paper for that as well. So let's get started. Here's our sprint, part A. We're going to be adding across a 10 sprint. So when you're ready, you can pause the video and get started with your 2-minute timer. When the timer goes off, you put your pencil down and your hands go up. And you get ready for part B. B. You can start your hands off, you're going to go up. Part B is more than you did on A. Good luck, everyone. Okay, here Kiko's her 2 nickels. Is this a fair trade? Bills and quarters, it has to equal 100. So let's figure out it is. So on my board, I already have my read, draw, write checklist. We've already read our problems, so I can give that a check. I have my 2 quarters, my 4 dimes, and my 2 nickels. First, I'm going to add together my 2 quarters, and I'm going to use my place value chart to help because it's a little hard to add that together. So 25 plus 25. Let's start in our ones column. So 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 2 tens. So I showed my 25. Now I got to add 25 to it. So start in your ones column, what do you get? You're going to add 5 more. So let's freeze. How many do we now have in our ones column? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you have 10 in a ones column? No, so what do you need to do? Good, you need to trade in your 10 ones for 1 10. So now how many ones do we have? Good, we have 0 ones. And we brought over our 1 10 into our tens column. So now how many tens do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens. So adding the 2 quarters together, we have, oops, that's only if you bring over that and you don't add your 2 more. Did you catch my mistake? All right, so we had our 2 ones, we brought our 1 10 over it, now we need to add our 2 other tens. So 1, 2. So now how many tens do we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 plus 25 is 50. Now, let's add 10 to 50, and what do we get? Let's see. 0 plus 0, you know. So can you count by tens to add to 50? So what comes after 10? Or what comes after 50? Good, 60. So we did this one. What comes after 60? Good, 70. What comes after 70? Good, 80. What comes after 80? Good, 90. And now we have to switch to counting by 5. So you're at 90, add 5 more. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Add 5 more. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So if he adds up all those coins, Kiko has 100 cents. So is that a fair trade? Yes. So we drew our picture, now we have to write our sentence. So our sentence is going to say, yes, this is a fair trade because both equal $1. So yes, this is a fair trade because they both equal the dollar. The coins equal 100 cents, which is $1, and Kiko's brother's giving her $1. Nice work. So now we have our next word problem. It says Alyssa has five $5 bills, 12 $1 bills, and 3 $10 bills in her wallet. How much money is in her wallet? Well, let's zoom out and we're going to work on that one today. Okay, so on my board, I have my read, draw, write checklist. I have my 5 5s, my 12 1s, and my 10 $10 bills. So now we need to figure out how much money she has all together. So we can first start by adding this up. So we can count by 5s. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now let's see how many 1s there are. We have to count by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now for the 10s, let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. Now we need to add them up all together. So we have to do 30 plus 25 plus 12. So let's first do 30 plus 25. So let's show our 30. And now we have to start in our 1s by adding 25. So we're going to add 5 1s. And how many 1s do we have now? Good, 5. Now we have to add our 2 10s. And how many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55. Very nice job. So now let's add 55 plus, because we did our 30 and we did our 25, we still have to add our 12. So we're going to do 55 plus 12. And we already have 55 on here, so now we're just going to add our 12. Remember, start in your 1s. How many are you adding? Good. 2 1s. Let's see how many 1s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now add your 110. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 55 plus 12 is 67. So you have your answer. There are $67 in Alyssa's pocket. So Alyssa has $67 in her pocket. Very nice job. Okay, let's look at our problem set for today. We're going to be working with word problems. So it says solve. Number 1, Patrick has 1 $10 bill, 2 $5 bills, and 4 $1 bills. How much money does he have? Remember to use your read, draw, and write checklist to help you solve these word problems. Number 2, Susan has 2 $5 bills and 3 $10 bills in her purse, and 11 $1 bills in her pocket. How much money does she have in all? Number 3, Raja has $60. He gave one $20 bill and three $5 bills to his cousin. How much money does Raja have? 4 $10 and $5. He has 4 $10 $5 bills. Alright, unsolve it. You send a picture to your hard work. Alright, bye guys.